A tag cloud or a word cloud is a visual representation of the text data, so which is often used to depict keyword metadata on the websites or to visualize the free form text. Tags are usually single words, and the importance of each tag is shown with the either size or the colors. Now WordCloud is a great way to visualize the text data, and it can be a great additions to your presentations. But creating a word cloud from a text data can be a challenge. So we're going to look how we can create a word cloud using Jupyter Lab as a Python IDE in this video. So the libraries we're going to use are the matplotlib, WordCloud, and NLTK. So as you can see, some of the word clouds I just searched on the Google, and which looks really amazing. Here is the one word cloud with the populations of each country. This also looks great. There is one more word cloud on the web 2.0 and all its keywords related to that. Then there is one more word cloud with the words, headers, and quotes. Then this is one more word cloud of the top 500 companies who traded on the stock exchange by its value on the New York Stock Exchange. And this is one more word cloud of top 1000 vital article hits. So all those word clouds looks really nice. So let's see how we can create a word cloud with a text file. So I'm just gonna go to the Jupyter Lab here. So the first thing we need to do is that we need a few libraries like matplotlib, WordCloud, and NLTK if we wanted to omit or drop some words. So what we can do is that if we haven't installed those libraries, we can just do the pip install. So pip install, then we can do NLTK, and then matplotlib, and then we can install the third one, that's the most important, is WordCloud. Okay, so I think I have already installed those libraries, so you can just execute that. And the next thing we're gonna do is that from WordCloud we're gonna import the WordCloud. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is from importlib, from matplotlib .pyplot. So we're gonna import this matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now next thing, we should have some text to create the word cloud. So we can take that text from the internet. That's the one source. So I copied some text in this txt file, and I copied some text from the web and I just pasted it here. So I'm going to use that text to create that word cloud. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open that file. So just consider file equals to, we're going to do open, and we're going to name the file, so that is wiki.txt, and we're going to read that file. Okay, so we're going to read that file once we open it, and then we suppose those texts can be extracted from the file with the file.read. Okay, now we got the text. Now we can create a word cloud with this. So word cloud equals to, then we're gonna define our word cloud, and then we're gonna specify the mode, okay, the color mode for this. So we're gonna say RGB, red, green, and then the next thing we gonna need is we're gonna generate this word cloud on with the generate function, and we're gonna specify the text. So once we've done that, the next thing we're gonna do is plt.imshow, So we're going to show that image here, and then we're going to specify that WordCloud object, and then we're going to say interpolation should be bilinear. Now the next thing we're gonna do, that plt dot, we don't want access, so we're gonna just do plt dot access equals to off, and then we're gonna do plt dot show to see the image. So yeah, this is the way you can see the word cloud. The next few things we can do is regarding the how many words it should use, and how many words we want in that word cloud. So we can use something called as a max words as arguments here, and now we can set that to maybe 100. So it's going to use 100 words. So again, it's going to generate a word cloud for this. Suppose we want a different size word cloud, then we even can mention width. Maybe we can mention width of 500, and then we can also mention height of maybe 500. So this will generate a word cloud of 500 height and width. So I will just do 1000 to look nice. So I will do the 1500 and just 1000 for this, so it will look nice. So the next thing we can do is that if we want to add any background color to this, if we don't want this on the white color, then we can add a background color, any background color. I'm just gonna add a white here because I think that might look good. So this can even also be added. So suppose I don't want some words, like retrieved is something I don't want in my word cloud, so I can just remove those words by adding a stop, by adding it to the stop words. So I can just import NLTK here, NLTK, and then in that NLTK I can look for stop words. So let me just define that as a stop words first. Stop words equals to NLTK. Then I'm gonna look for corpus or word corpus, and in that corpus I'm gonna look for stop words, and then I'm gonna look for words, and then I'm gonna look for English. So we have the stop words. Now suppose I don't want one particular word that is retrieved, so let me just remove that. So let me do a stop words dot append. I can just do retrieved. So I just appended that, and I can pass those stop words while defining the word cloud. So I can just do a stop words equals to stop words, and I can just create that word cloud here. So yeah, that word it's not added. I might have made a spelling mistake. RETREVED. Retriever. Sorry, my bad. So let's see. Yeah, that word is gone. So this way you can we can create any word cloud with using only just 2-3 libraries in the Python. So